ओम खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः स्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Naishkarmya Siddhi, we have seen up to Shloka 77. Between Bheda Bheda Paksha, Abheda Paksha, Bheda Paksha, all these discussions that are going on with all of them and Advaita. So now, Bheda Bheda Paksha once again comes back. Bheda Bheda means Brahma is having Bheda and Brahma is also Abheda. Or you say Jiva Brahma Bheda is there and Jiva Brahma Abheda is also there. Page number 46 टीका। एवं अभेद पक्षे निराकृते सति सति सप्तमी पुनर्भेदा भेद पक्षम उत्थापयति तस्य स्वरूपेण एव असंभवं दर्शयितुम् अस्तु तर्हि अभेद पक्षे निराकृते अभेद Brahma is bhinna bhinna of that abheda. If Brahma is abhinna with Brahma, Jiva, you don't need karma. And if that Brahma is samasta vyasta rupa Brahma, vyashti samashti rupa Brahma, then the one, that Jiva who has done sakshatkara of that samasta vyasta rupa Brahma, karma is his self, because he is all. That's why it was said, asya yoginaha karmatma eva nishvasa uchvasavat. Karmatma means karma is like the breath of this person. Where is the scope for any additional karma to accomplish something else? So that was done. Nirakaranam was done. Punaha Bheda Bheda Paksham Utthapayati. Now, Bheda Bheda Paksha is once again brought up. Tasya Swarupena eva asambhavam darshayitum. Now, Siddhanti says, it is absolutely not possible that Brahma is Bheda Bheda Rupa. Darshayitum astu tarhi iti. In Mulam. Astu tarhi bhinna bhinnatmakam Brahma. तथा च सति ज्ञान कर्मणि संभवतो भेदा भेद विषयत्वात् तयोः अस्तु तर्हि भिन्ना भिन्नात्मकं ब्रह्म. Siddhanti is saying, okay, if Brahma is, or let's say Purva Pakshi says, let Brahma be bhinna bhinnatmakam. And then tatha cha sati ज्ञान कर्मणि संभवतः ज्ञान कर्मणि इज
द्विवचनम
द्विवचनम संभवतः संभवतः संभवतस that sakara lopa does not happen with the it sanya. What is the sutra? Pathatah, gachatah, संभवतः, संभवति, संभवतः, संभवन्ति, न विभक्तौ
तुस्मः
ज्ञान कर्मणि संभवतः भेदाभेद विषयत्वात् तयोः भेदाभेद विषयत्वात् तयोः ज्ञानकर्मणोः ज्ञानस्य विषयं किम् और ज्ञानस्य विषयो कः अभेद अभेद कर्मणो विषय भेद सो ज्ञान कर्मणि भेदाभेद विषयत्वात् ज्ञान and karma they have bheda abheda vishaya. So if Brahma is bheda bhedatmakam, I will do jnana karma samuchaya. Jnana will take care of abheda part, karma will take care of bheda part. This is Puravakshi's argument. So I can combine jnana and karma samuchaya siddhyati. Siddhanti will say tatra tavadayam paksha eva na sambhavati. This paksha bhinna bhinnatmaka brahma itself will not be valid. Sitika. Ukte अर्थे कर्म ज्ञान कांडयोः प्रामाण्य अनुपपत्तिः. Ukte अर्थे Ukta artha means this bheda bheda paksha. In that karma kanda and jnana kanda they both will karma jnana kandayoho pramanya anupapattihi iti anupapattihi iti pramanam ityaha iti should be there I think. Pramanya anupapattihi pramanam ityaha तथा च सति. If Siddhanti says in this bhinna bhinnatmakam brahma there is no pramana for jnana karma, so Purvapakshi says no, we can have karma kanda will reveal bhedatmaka brahma, jnana kanda will reveal abhedatmaka brahma, together they will reveal bhedatmaka brahma, and therefore I can do karma upasana and I can have jnanam also. Further in Moolam. Tatra tavadayam paksha eva na sambhavati. Siddhanti says this paksha itself is not possible. King karanam. नहि भिन्नोऽयम् इति अभेद बुद्धिम् अनिराकृत्य भेद बुद्धिः पदार्थम् आलिंगते. What is the अन्वय for this? नहि भिन्नोऽयम् इति अभेद बुद्धिम् अनिराकृत्य भेद बुद्धिः पदार्थम् आलिंगते. भेद बुद्धिः पदार्थम न आलिंगते. दिस इज द मुख्य वाक्य. भेद बुद्धि ही अभेद बुद्धिम अनिराकृत्य पदार्थम न आलिंगते. भेद बुद्धि, a notion of division, will not come unless the notion of divisionlessness is not removed. Bhed buddhi cannot come if abhed buddhi doesn't go away. As long as abhed buddhi is there, bhed buddhi cannot come. This pata, this side and this side, are they constituting one pata or two patas?
One pata.
Is one pata. In this, no matter how much I try, as long as this abheda buddhi is there, bheda buddhi cannot come. So abheda buddhim anirakritya bheda buddhi padartham na alingate. Alingana means to envelop, to embrace. Bheda buddhi cannot embrace the object. Means object will not have bheda buddhi unless you remove the idea that there is abheda buddhi here. What is the nature of that bheda buddhi? Bhinnoyam iti. Bheda buddhi anvaya should be with bhinnoya. But the way vakya is written, bhinnoyam iti abheda buddhim anirakratya. If you read this way, you will never get the anvaya. Bhinnoyam iti bheda buddhihi अभेद बुद्धिम अनिराकृत्य पदार्थम न आलिंगते. In other words, what Siddhanti is saying is Bhed Abhedatmaka Brahma, where Bheda Buddhi is also there and Abheda Buddhi also is there, both cannot be together. To have Bheda Buddhi, you have to get rid of Abheda Buddhi. To have Abheda Buddhi, you have to get rid of Bheda Buddhi. एवं ही अनभ्युपगमे भिन्ना भिन्न पदार्थयोः अलौकिकत्वं प्रसज्येत. Then such object where bheda and abheda together cannot be there, भिन्न अभिन्न पदार्थयोः alaukikatvam prasajyeta. Padartha which has one part as bhinna, another part as abhinna. Bhinna bhinna padarthayoho alaukikatvam. It is alaukika. Alaukika means anirvachaniya, mithya. That Brahma will become mithya. Sitika. अभेदम विना ब्रह्माहम अस्मि इति ज्ञान अनुपपत्तेर भेदम विना च अनेक कारक साध्य कर्म अनुपपत्तेश्च भिन्ना भिन्नात्मकम ब्रह्म इत्यर्थः. If there is no abheda there, aham brahmasmi jnanam cannot take place. Abhedam vina अभेदं विना ब्रह्माहमस्मि इति ज्ञान अनुपपत्तेः। अभेदं विना ब्रह्माहमस्मि इति ज्ञानम cannot take place, because only when there is abheda between jiva and brahma, aham brahmasmi, you can say. And bhedam vina cha aneka karaka sadhya karma anupapattesya. And without bheda, aneka karaka sadhya karma which requires aneka karaka, anekaihi karakaihi sadhyam yat karma, तद अनुपपत्तेश्च और तस्य कर्मणः अनुपपत्तेश्च. And therefore Purvapakshi feels it is भिन्ना भिन्नात्मकं ब्रह्म. तिष्ठतु तावद् ब्रह्मणो भिन्ना भिन्नत्वं लोके अपि अयं पक्षो न संभवति इति अत्र इति आह. Siddhanti says, okay, let your Brahma be bhinna bhinnatmakam. Even in the loka, in the world, this paksha is not possible. Loke api ayam paksho na sambhavati. Iti aha tatra tavat. So we saw in the Mulam, ayam paksha na sambhavati. Why? Because unless bheda buddhi, abheda buddhi goes, bheda buddhi cannot take place. Purvapakshi says, I will show you how bheda buddhi can be there. Nanu, sun ghataha. Those who want, they can put comma after sun ghataha. Shuklaha pato, comma. Mritcharavo, comma. Dandi devadatta. इत्यादौ सामान्य विशेष द्रव्य गुणादीनां सामानाधिकरण्यम अत्यंतम अभेदे भेदे च घटो घटो. In there should be such reading. अत्यंतम अभेदे भेदे च अश्वो महिष इत्यादावदर्शनात् अनुपपद्यमानं भिन्ना भिन्नत्वं कल्पयति इति शंकते किं कारणम् इति. Purvapakshi says sun ghataha. In sun ghataha, sat is samanya, ghata is vishesha. So it is samanya vishesha sambandha. Shuklopataha. Shuklopataha, what is the sambandha?
Dravya guna sambandha.
Dravya guna. They are in samana adhikarana. I have mentioned this earlier. What is the lakshana of samana adhikaranyam? भिन्न प्रवृत्ति निमित्तानां एकस्मिन् अर्थे प्रवृत्तिः समानाधिकरण्यम्. Those who don't know, they should write down. भिन्न प्रवृत्ति निमित्तानां एकस्मिन् अर्थे प्रवृत्तिः समानाधिकरण्यम्. Sometimes you can either add or at least keep in mind eka vibhaktikana. So भिन्न प्रवृत्ति निमित्तानां एक विभक्तिकानां एकस्मिन् अर्थे प्रवृत्तिः. घटः पटः. Samanadhikaranam is there.
No.
No, sir.
Why?
Vibhakti.
घटः पटः विभक्ति समान विभक्ति.
एकस्मिन् अर्थे प्रवृत्ति नहीं is not there.
How do you know ekasmin arthe pravritti is not there?
To give the whole sentence, Swamiji.
Huh?
The whole context has to be
The pravritti nimittas are different. What is ghatas pravritti nimitta? Jati, ghatatva jati. Pata pravritti nimitta is. See, when I say pravritti means what pravritti you are understanding?
Its use.
Huh?
Its use. The use.
No, tells very clearly. I cannot understand. What did you say?
Usage.
Usage. Pravritti means shabda pravritti. When we say pravritti nimitta, which pravritti we are talking? Shabda pravritti. Shabda pravritti nimittanam. Bhinna pravritti nimittanam means bhinna shabda pravritti nimittanam. Ekasmin arthe pravritti or yoga. Samanadhikaranya. So san ghataha. Ghataha and sat. They both have Samanadhikaranya. Purvapaksha says. Which kind? Samanya Vishesha. In that Ghata, Satta is there and Ghatatva is there. Together they are. Samanya Vishesha. Shuklo Pataha or Shuklaha Pataha. Shukla Pataha. Shukla is Guna. Pata is Dravya. When they are together, what is Shuklaha?
Visheshana. Visheshana.
Visheshana is okay.
Guna.
When we say Shuklaha Pataha, Shukla is not anymore Guna. Shukla means Shuklatvavat. Shuklatvavat is Pataha.
Does that mean it is Jati Samji?
So Shuklaha and Pataha, they both refer to Dravya. In Shuklaha Pataha, then only Samanadhikaranyam. Otherwise, Shuklaha Pataha, can there be Samanadhikaranyam if Shukla is Guna and Pata is Dravya?
No.
Why not?
Because guna can be in elsewhere. Not in pata, but in kata.
Because Dravya is Ashraya of Guna.
Jati is different.
Shukla will reveal Shuklatva and Pata will reveal. No.
Where is Pata?
In Tandu.
In Tantu, at least. Where is Pata?
In Tantu.
Pata is in Tantu. Where is Shukla Guna? in pata. So Shukla Guna will be in pata and pata will be in Tantu. Can you say they have Samanadhikaranyam?
No.
They have different adhikarana. They will have Samana adhikarana only if both are in the same locus. That is possible only if you understand Shuklaha not as Guna, but as Dravya only. Then only Samanadhikaranyam is possible. So Shukla you should understand as Shuklatvavat. Shuklatvavat will be Pataha. Pata has Shuklatvam now. Mritcharavo. Mritcharava has which kind of Samanadhikaranya? Karya Karana. Mrit is Karana. Sharava is Karya. Mritcharava has Karya Karanatmaka Samanadhikaranyam. Dandi Devadatta. Dandi Devadatta again has Visheshana Vishesha Samanadhikaranyam. So 4 examples, different types. Samanya Vishesha, Dravya Guna, Karya Karana, Visheshana Vishesha. Danda becomes Visheshana for Devadatta. They have sambandha between them. Dandi Devadatta. Ityadavu. All examples are clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
And you have to remember this, particularly the Samanadhikarana. What is the definition I said? Inna pravritti nimittanam ekasmin arthe pravritti. So you see, San ghataha pravritti is in one object. Shukla pataha pravritti is in one object. Dandi devadatta pravritti is in one object. Devadatta. Mrit sharavaha. Mrit sharava means mitti ka ghata. Mridaha Sharava Shashti. Ityadau Samanya Vishesha Dravya Gunadinam Samanadhikaranyam Atyantam Abhede Bhedecha. So, in all these examples, Samanadhikaranyam Atyanta Abheda. Purvapakshi is giving this. He says, where there is Atyanta Abheda, can there be Samanadhikaranyam in Atyanta Abheda? 1. Can there be Samanadhikaranyam in Atyanta Bheda? 2 vikalpas are there. What is the Drishtanta for Samanadhikaranyam in Atyanta Abheda? He says Ghato Ghata. Ghato Ghata. So where it says Ghato, you should say Ghato Ghato. In Atyanta Abheda, Samanadhikaranyam is not possible. It has no meaning. And in Atyanta Abheda, like Ashwa Mahisha, horse and buffalo, there is no Samanadhikaranyam. Why there is no Samanadhikaranyam? Why there is no Samanadhikaranyam in Ghato Ghato?
They are not Bhinna Shabda.
Huh?
They are not Bhinna Shabda. Shabda is Samana.
Because
Adhikarana is Eka, not Samana.
Because 2 ghatas do not have, neither have Samanya Vishesha Sambandha, no Guna Dravya Sambandha, no Karya Karana Sambandha, and Sat Vastu Sambandha.
There is no Bhinna Pravritti.
Pravritti Nimitta is not Bhinna. Ghato Ghato Bhinna Pravritti Nimitta is not Bhinna. That's enough. Bhinna Pravritti Nimittanam Ekasmin Arthe Pravritti. So here Pravritti Nimittas are not Bhinna. Therefore, Ghato Ghato cannot be Samanadhikaranya. Ashwa Mahisha, they have Pravritti Nimitta Bhinna. Can that be Samanadhikaranyam?
Ekasmin arthe is not there.
Ekasmin arthe pravritti is not there. Means the same thing cannot be Ghata, I mean Ashwa also and Mahisha also. Ityada vadarsanat. Ityada Samanadhikaranyam adarsanat. Anupapadyamanam bhinna bhinnatvam kalpayati iti shankate. And therefore, this bhinna bhinnatvam is anupapadyamana. It is impossible that you are doing kalpana. Iti shankate. In Mulam, king karanam. So we saw nahi bhinnoyam iti apedadutyam ityadi. In Tika, see further. Tarhi vaktavyam abheda iti atra kim bheda bhavah kim va bheda virodhi kim va bhedad anyo abhidiyate. Tarhi vaktavyam. Then Siddhanti is asking Purvapakshi, you will have to tell what is abheda. Is abheda bheda abhava? See, what is abheda? How will you do samasa vigraha?
भेदं न विद्यते इति अभेदः
भेदः पुल्लिंग. भेदो न विद्यते यस्मिन् तद अभेदः. और नय तत्पुरुष न भेद अभेद. न भेद अभेद. दिस न भेद नय अर्थाः षट प्रकीर्तिताः. There are 6 meanings of the नय शब्द. What are they? तत्सादृश्यम अभावश्य तदन्यत्वं तदल्पता अप्राशस्त्यं विरोधश्च नयर्थाः षट प्रकीर्तिताः. This comes in Bhaimi. In the beginning itself. Paryudasha Pratisheda and Prasajya Pratisheda. Right? 2 are there. Anyway, so out of, there are 6 meanings of Nay. Nay means Nisheda. No Bheda is Abheda. What do you mean by no Bheda? So he says, Ityatra kim Bheda Abhava. Na means Abhava. Na means Virodhi. Or Na means Anyaha. Then there are other meanings also, like Alpata, Sadrishyam. Like when they say Abrahmanam Anaya. So Abrahmanam means what? Brahman Virodhi, or Brahmana Abhava, or Brahmana Sadrisha. So it says Sadrisha. Someone similar to Brahmana. When they have to do cooking in our ashrams and all, one condition is cook has to be a Brahmana. It's so difficult to find a Brahmana cook now. Because Brahmanas are not into cooking. for most part, or at least in this area, it is difficult. Maybe because all ashrams need one. So that is sadrishyam. Abhava, you already know. Drashtanta is, what is the drashtanta for abhava? According to Nyaya Darshan, Ajnanam. What is Ajnanam? What is Ajnanam according to Nyaya Darshan? Jnana Abhava. Na Jnanam iti Ajnanam. What is Ajnanam? Jnana Abhava. Abhava Rupa Dese. Tad Anyatvam. Anyatvam means something else. Alpata. Alpata means, what is the drishtanta for alpata? Anudara Kanya. You heard this or not? Anudara Kanya.
Yes, Swamiji.
A Kanya who has such thin waist. So they say she doesn't have stomach. She doesn't have stomach means you cannot live without stomach. They have, but it is so thin. That Kanya is called Anudara Kanya. Anyway, this shloka, it is there in the definition shlokas, revised definition shlokas. You can look at it. Virodha Drashtanta is Adharma. Adharma is not similar to Dharma. Adharma is not Dharma Abhava. Adharma is not Dharma Anya. Adharma is not Alpa Dharma. Adharma is Dharma Virodhi. Opposite. So Siddhanta is asking, what is Abheda? Is it Bheda Abhava? Kimva Bheda Virodhi? Is it Virodhi or Bheda Anya? Three vikalpas he is asking. Iti. न तावद आद्यो तथा सती भेदा भेदयोर एकत्र युगपत् समावेश अनुपपत्तेः नापि तृतीयः रूपरसादीनामपि भेदाद् अन्यत्वेन अभेदत्व प्रसंगात् न तावद आद्यो नापि तृतीयः. What happened to द्वितीयः?
Adyo.
Dvitiya also included.
Adyo has how many?
2.
This came in Brahadaranyaka class recently. Na tavad adyo. First two. Bheda abhava or bheda virodhi. Both of them are not possible. Abheda cannot be bheda abhava. Abheda also cannot be bheda virodhi. Why? Tatha sati. Bheda bheda together cannot exist. If abheda means bheda virodhi and bheda and bheda virodhi cannot be together. And bheda abhava also cannot be together. So tatha sati bheda bhedayoho ekatra yugapat samavesha anupapatte. Bheda and abheda together simultaneously cannot coexist. So first two vikalpas are out. And if you say abheda means bheda anya, bhedad anya, napi tritiyah, rupa rasadinam api bhedad anyatvena abhedatva prasangat. Rupa is different from bheda. What is bheda?
Anyonya bhava.
Bheda is anyonya bhava. and Rupa is Guna. Anyanya Bhava is different from Guna. Rupa Rasadinam. Rupa Rasadinam api Bhedad Anyatvena Abhedatva Prasangat. So there will be Abhedatva Prasang. Rupa will become Abheda because it is Bhedadanya. Evam Vidha Bheda Bhedayor Abhyupagame Cha अलौकिकत्व प्रसंगात सामानाधिकरण्य प्रत्ययस्य कल्पित भेदेनापि सोयं देवदत्तः संच्छिद्रम् इत्यादाविव संभवात् इति अभिप्रेत्य उपसंहरति नहि भिन्नोयम् इति। एवं विध भेदा भेदयोर अभ्युपगमे of this swarupa, that bheda bheda rupa brahma, if you accept, evam vida bheda bhedayoho brahmano abhyupagame cha, that brahma will become alaukika. Alaukika means there is no laukika drashtanta. It is not of this world anymore. It is something else. Alaukika. Alaukikatva prasangat. सामानाधिकरण्य प्रत्ययस्य कल्पित भेदेनापि, and सामानाधिकरण्य sometimes you have to have kalpita bheda because Siddhanti already explained between atyanta abheda samanadhikaranyam is not possible. Atyanta bheda samanadhikaranyam is not possible. So you have to have kalpita bheda. So kalpita bhedena samanadhikaranya pratyasya api सोयम देवदत्तः, सोयम देवदत्ता, सह इज तद्देश तत्काल तत् अवस्थात्मक देवदत्ता, and ayam देवदत्ता is एतद्देश एतत्काल ayam अवस्थात्मक देवदत्ता. So that time space, that paristhiti, and this time space condition, there is kalpanika bheda. Kalpita bhedena soyam devadatta samanadhikaranya is possible. Kham chidram, kham is akasha, mahakasha and ghatakasha, you say samanadhikaranya is there. Ityadaviva, even though there is no karya karana, there is no visheshana vishesha, kalpita bheda is there. Ityadaviva sambhavat iti abhipretya upasamharati. Nahi bhinnoyam, Siddhanti already said, we saw, nahi bhinnoyam iti abheda buddhim anirakritya bheda buddhihi padartham alingate. Unless bheda buddhi is removed, I mean abheda buddhi is removed, bheda buddhi cannot come. So both cannot coexist. Astu yatha tatha loke brahmani पुनर्भिन्ना भिन्नत्वं सर्वथैव अनुपपन्नम इत्याह अथ निष्प्रमाणकम अपि इत्यादि। अस्तु यथा तथा लोके ब्रह्मणि, so just as in loka भिन्ना भिन्नात्मकत्वम is not possible, यथा लोके तथा ब्रह्मणि, in this way you have to read. यथा तथा लोके ब्रह्मणि is given. यथा लोके अस्तु तथा ब्रह्मणि पुनः भिन्ना भिन्नत्वं सर्वथैव अनुपपन्नम. अन्वय should be that way. इत्याह अथ in मूलम, one line before, एवं ही अनभ्युपगमे भिन्ना भिन्न पदार्थयोः अलौकिकत्वं प्रसज्येत. So this will become अलौकिका. अथ निष्प्रमाणकम अपि आश्रियते. अलौकिकत्वम means anirvachaniyam. Anirvachanam means mithya, and therefore in that there is no pramanam. Why? Because it is bhranti. If it has pramanam, it will become satyam, it will become prama. But this is bhranti, it is nishpramanakam, ashriyate. Tad api abhyupag, tad api ubhaya paksha abhyupagamat अभेद पक्षे दुखी ब्रह्म स्यात् अतः तदपि उभय पक्ष अभ्युपगमात्. And if you still say no, it is bheda bhedatmakam, then abheda pakshe dukhi brahma syat. If Brahma is one with all vyashti, then everybody's dukkha will become Brahma dukkha. So Brahma will be dukhi. Tadapi ubhaya paksha abhyupagamat. If you accept this Veda Veda, then in the Abheda part, Brahma will be dukhi. Okay. So now, Tika Moolam we have completed. Tika we have seen up to Nishpramanakam Api Ityadina. Now we have to see the Shloka, which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.